together.
Today's project will be how to make some coffee. Real simple. I'm not talking about some crazy, thing you would make down at like the coffee house. This is just your everyday Joe. Wake up in the morning, make a pot of coffee. So stay tuned. We're going to do some basic coffee making. All right. First thing we're going to do is fill up the pitcher here. Don't be looking at my ass. All right. Then I'm just going to pour that right in there. That's right there. Then what we'll do, coffee filter. Very simple. It goes right in there. Right like so. Time for the coffee. Some say that they use coffee to hide a scent from the dogs or drugs. But those are people who watch too many movies. All right. I go for a half a cup of coffee grind. This is Folgers. If you ask me, one of the best blends on the planet. We're going to pop that right there. It looks like, you know what? I like a little strong, put a little bit more in there. All right. Perfect. And close the top. And then you're just going to hit the power button or the go button. It says clean. Clean. But it's going. Give it a second, Chad. So now it'll start percolating. It'll start bringing the cold water through the heater element, and it'll start dropping it down into the coffee itself and into the pitcher. So that's basically how we make coffee here at the ThaGierk Nation. So feel free to make your own. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And don't forget, like and subscribe.